Welcome guys back. Welcome back to the channel. What is going on, everyone? It is a beautiful, today Thursday, my Friday. Hopefully it's your guys' Friday. Somewhere it's Friday, right? But I've been kind of putting some off on the Chevelle. I gotta get really going on it, especially if we're gonna finish this car. Is that front bumper? I've been putting it off, and I'm gonna show you guys why I've been putting it off. It's because I gotta take the whole front end apart. Really, I gotta take off the grill, take off the headlight extensions, all that, and I already got it on. And I hate to take everything off once I already got everything on. But I'm gonna show you guys why. Let's get to it. Let me show you guys. You gotta take all this off. I really don't want to. I really don't. Ooh, hi there. Damn, it look good in there, huh? What y'all think? Yeah, it looked good in there. Okay. But let me show you guys what's up. This piece of shit car, when I got it, I guess whoever had the car, and I took this front end apart and all that and coated everything, I didn't notice this broken bolt. Can you guys see that? See if I can try to focus. Right there, you see that broken bolt right there, that stud? There's a stud right there that's broken off, and I really been trying to get that thing out. Vice grips, I even tried welding the nut on there and everything. I still couldn't get it off. And long story short, we got to get that thing off, but I got to take this off, and I can't take the grill off without taking the headlight extension off. I got to get all that stuff off, try to get that out of there. And the reason we can't put that bumper on is because that bumper filler goes there before anything, and that's where your bumper filler hooks up. That's where it actually attaches to. So we got to get all this shit off. Long story short, so I guess let's stop avoiding it and let's get it going, I guess. Let me show you guys that broken stud. Can you guys see it? That's the bitch right there. Look at that. So I'm gonna try to get it off. Hopefully we get that thing out of there. I think I might just end up taking this completely off. That way I can take it over to the bench or the vice grip there and either cut this thing off, drill it out, do whatever we have to do to get this thing off. But this thing is just fighting us the whole way. So we'll just remove this top bolt and then the two back bolts that hold this bracket onto the core support. Let's get to it. That took a lot longer than I wanted this thing to take, but we got it out. See? We're gonna take it over to the bench, see if we can get that out, and go from there and then put it back, and then reassemble everything back. I ended up having to take the radiator cover off to get to that bolt up here because the radiator was in the way. So we can try to get the radiator pushed out the way. To this bolt, but let's see if we get this out. What up? So we got this, got the old bolt out. We're gonna put this new one in, put this back on. But we're running out of time, at least today. I don't know if I'll be able to get this bumper actually back on and everything else, but we are gonna try to get this front end back and put it all back together. But at least we finally can get a bolt through there when we put our bumper filler back on. We'll put this on real quick and keep going. Welcome back to the channel. It is day 2 of this bumper install. We've been trying to get this thing back on. You remember that first day we had to get that bolt out. We got the bolt out. We actually got the bumper filler back in. We're gonna go ahead and get the bumper back on. Shouldn't be too bad. It's a brand new bumper. Got the lights assembled and everything else. So we'll work on that. Other than that, I think that'll be it for this video. But let's get going. Let's get to it. Hope you guys are having a good day. Let's do it. All right, we got everything laid out. We got the bumper laid out. We got a little bit of masking tape we use here for the edges. I'm not too worried about the filler because it should go right over that. The bumper should, I should say. You guys can see it. But we got a little sidetrack right now. My boy LS Guru, aka Dr. Roo, came over real quick, picked up a shirt. Damn, that shit on that stealth shit, boy. LS Guru over here in the house and shit. LS Swap El Camino G body. That shit. That shit, boy, that shit sound like Grandpa's Cadillac. Hell yeah. He was in here checking out the cars and stuff like that. But now let's get back to work. Let's get this thing going. It's getting hot as hell out here. Super hot out here. We lost the shade we had, so bear with me. Hopefully this camera don't lock up, heat up, overheat. Let's get this thing going because it is hot. My camera overheated. It was sitting out in the sun. You can tell it's hot as shite out there, and it overheated, long story short. So I'm sorry if I didn't get all the footage on there, and the bumper's already on. Really ain't gonna take the bumper back off to reshoot it, but I will go ahead and show you guys the finished product because, like I said, I'm not sure what the camera got and didn't get, but it's hot. It's hot today out here in Vegas. Damn, this fucking camera. I was recording it off my Microsoft Surface Pro today. I really need a GoPro, huh? But I don't even think that would have survived out here in this heat. So let me show y'all real quick finished product. All right, here's the bumper zone. Feel like it looks pretty good. We got the gaps as tight as we can get it, as close as we can get it. I feel like that bumper really tied that front end, back end together. Man, really been putting that bumper off, but we looking good now. License plate bracket, I don't know if I should put it on or not. Let me know what you guys think, or should we just put 2 nut inserts in there on the top for anybody to put their bumper in there or their license plate in there. But I think it looks good. Marker lights are hooked up. Let me know about that license plate though. If you guys have any better ideas, put it in the comments below. Appreciate you guys. You guys keep wrenching. To the next video.